In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track Printify Order. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look in your Printify dashboard, how to read each order status, and how to jump to the shipping carrier's page to see live delivery updates. First, head to Printify and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your control center, and it's where you can access every order connected to your store. If you manage more than one store, just make sure you're viewing the correct one so the right orders appear. Next, open the Orders area. On the left-hand menu, click Orders, then select My Orders. This page lists all the orders from your store in one place. You can browse through the list, but the quickest way to find a specific order is by searching for the order number or the customer's name. When you spot the one you're looking for, click it to open the Order Details page. On the Order Details page, check the current status. You might see On Hold, which means the order is paused and not moving forward yet. Sending to production means it's being forwarded to the print provider. In production tells you the product is being made. Ready to ship means it's been packed and is waiting for the courier to pick it up. Shipped confirms the courier has the package and it's on the way. These statuses help you gauge progress at a glance and set the right expectations for your customer. To view the tracking number, scroll to the shipping section of the order details. Here you'll find the tracking number, and it will usually be a clickable link. Click that link to open the carrier's tracking page. If you don't see a tracking number yet, don't worry. Tracking appears only after the order has shipped. On the carrier page, you'll see the shipping company handling the delivery, like USPS, DHL, or FedEx, along with the package's latest location scans and the estimated delivery date. Keep in mind that carrier updates can lag a bit, especially right after pickup, so if the page looks stale, give it some time and check back later. A few helpful notes as you track. Production typically takes about 2 to 7 business days before an order ships, depending on the product and provider. If your order includes multiple items from different print providers, you may receive more than one tracking number. In that case, review each item's shipping details within the same order to track them individually. That's it. Log in, open Orders, select your order, check its status, and click the tracking link to follow it to the doorstep.